Good morning. It's a little bit chilly this morning. My diesel heater, well, I forgot to put diesel in it. So before I got out of bed, I put these overlays in bed with me underneath the blankets so they warm up. And throughout the whole night, I had these big furry socks. And now it's time for coffee. Man, that is some good coffee. Okay, it's time to tell you where I am. Not where I am per se, the exact location, but I am at a lake. It's an established campground, so I paid to be here for 2 nights. It has water where I can fill up. It has toilets. It has showers, which is nice. I'm gonna grab one of those suckers a little later. And I have my fire pit here and my table where I'm gonna be cooking. But now I wanna go really quick for a morning stroll at the lake to sit down and drink my coffee and enjoy the view. Solars are really dirty because it's just a dusty road to get here. I'm in between trees, so I don't have a whole day worth of sun, so I just have to clean them really quickly. I'm really excited to make this, so I got this soy chorizo. I really love chorizo seasoning, so I'm gonna make some breakfast tacos. Let's give this a try. If you get a chance, try this. It's a very simple recipe. I got the soy chorizo from, you guessed it, Trader Joe's. That's one of those meals that I could probably have every day and enjoy every second of it. It was like a symphony in my mouth. That was so weird, but you know, I'm gonna keep it. Lately, I've been having really bad luck when I go camping with wind. It's just got super windy. So, lucky for you, I'm not gonna be talking too much, so. I'm just gonna walk around and maybe show you guys a little bit of B-roll and stuff like that, just to kind of do a little exercise after that amazing meal. Those tacos were amazing, but I need to walk it off. So I'm gonna just go check out the rest of the campground. Look at that, they have a theater over here. Welcome to Stefan Ghica show. See that? They got like a little tiny soccer field. They have a little restaurant here and we're ready for Halloween. Windy weather we're having today, wouldn't you say? What do you think? I had to go in and stop and get a beer just to sit down and film that. This is a pretty cool little spot here. Just got the beer going. We have a view of the lake. What's left of it anyway. And I think that's where they have the life band. That was a nice little walk. Stopped in to grab a beer, so the whole walk exercise after eating the calories that I lost walking around, I put them back with a beer. I hope I didn't spook you too much with the Halloween stuff. You know, I learned if there's an opportunity for a shower, I'm taking it. This shower is only $1 for 3 minutes, and heck yeah, I'm taking it. Turns out 3 minutes is more than enough to grab a shower. That's including me waiting for the water to warm up. Maybe they leave it on for more than that because of that, I'm not sure, but yeah, I was actually waiting for the water to stop. I showered really quickly though. Now that I feel like a fresh man, it's time to hit the road, go in town and look for breakfast, anything. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm hoping that I find a place that serves breakfast all day and also eggs. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's do this. All right, made it to Solvang. This is like a Danish town, which is really cool. And I thought it would be really cool this time of year because we're getting close to the holidays. Probably hear some construction people in the back. Hopefully it's not so bad. But I do remember a breakfast place that had a phenomenal breakfast burrito. And I'm gonna see if they still serve it. Looks like they're closed until 12 p.m. where it's actually closed until the weekend. So no luck there. We'll find something else. I think I came to this town maybe 2 years ago and it was kind of dead. But now it's good to see that it's back, man. There's a lot of people on the street. Things are looking good. It's nice and clean. So good for Solvang. I think I might have found my spot. It says all day breakfast. So we're in luck. Let's see what they have. Something vegetarian, of course.
Courses that are of more interest to you to show up when and where.
That was a great breakfast burrito, and it was vegetarian, and they also had vegetarian chorizo. I'm on a chorizo kick. Stop in. Maybe I'll see something I like. You know, I have been looking for a hat. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get, but you're gonna see something soon replacing this thing. That is one cool store though. I have to get out of there because I don't have a huge amount of space for hats. It seems like they're gonna have a farmer's market on the street, so I'm gonna be waiting for that and see if I can grab something. I'm not sure if you can hear me because it's windy. I don't know, it just... Wind on this trip has just been terrible. Anyway, I ended up buying some lettuce. I didn't find a spicy sauce person. But the person that was selling these was having such a good time eating it. I had to grab some. Alright, I'm back in the van, just trying to look for a place to park for tonight, and I'm gonna stay in town. I really love it that it's super busy in here. I don't like busy places, but I like it that this town is busy because there's tourists and there's stuff going on. So I just came back from the farmers market. I always try to support local businesses, and then this is one of them. Like I said, I'm gonna look for a place to park for tonight. I think I have something in mind, and then walk around a little more and maybe try to catch some live music. This is a pickled egg, and I'm hoping the music doesn't pick up on the background. It's pretty good. It's pickled. Only the outside layer is pickled, and then the rest is just like an egg.